it is a game changer for the whole fracking industry.
Some powerful words describing what only a few influential people have been able to witness so far. This being a demonstration on what will be the future of non-hydraulic fracking in the oil and gas industry.
When I mix it at the plant, as soon as it goes in the barrel within 30 seconds, they're already doing what they need to do downhole, being dry. As soon as I mix the water, that's when it starts doing the other component when I add some moisture to it. So that's the whole beauty of it.
Dr. John Harper, a leader and pioneer in the oil and gas sector, was one of the few industry power players to take in this demonstration. He says Alberta company N.E.X.T may have just created the next best thing.
It will become a major force in the future in the industry.
It's a technology that will not only boost the industry, but help save the environment at the same time.
At this point in time, we're facing the fact that water internationally is not sustainable for the fracking approach. Proppants are not sustainable for the fracking approach. They solve that problem by not having to use water. It's a natural proppant that is generated, and they don't have any toxic materials in there, and most of the fracking material we use today has a degree of toxicity to it.
For the past 10 years, the team at N.E.X.T have been working to improve the industry that's shaped their lives. During their time in the field, they saw the need to make it better. CEO Darren Wiltsey explains.
Well, it's really a need that helped develop this technology. We saw the rigor and the requirement to frack wells using the hydraulic method, which required a fleet of trucks, thousands of liters of water, and we just thought there had to be a better way.
And the better way is this product. At first glance, it doesn't look like much. What it is a non-toxic organic compound that will not only frack, but clean up well bores. At N.E.X.T's demonstrations, many of those in attendance are often left dumbfounded and baffled with its simplistic yet powerful form. Others can't believe of the possibilities it will have on site.
You have something that's non-chemical, all organic, uses hardly any water. You can mix it with your bare hands, you can eat it, you can lick it, do what you want with it. Why would you want to pump all that oil down the hole and how many millions of gallons of fresh water? When we're using dirty water today, we got the mud puddle from the rain.
N.E.X.T has seen the need to make a difference and help the industry grow green.
Our technology is so environmentally friendly. We only require 40 liters of water to in order to frack a zone of interest as compared to the tens of thousands of liters of water in the hydraulic process or liquefied propane, if you will. The compounds that we use are 100% organic, non-toxic, so again it speaks to the environmental friendliness of the technology.
The new technology is also safe and is effective.
They've sent me the results on 17 wells of 37 that they've worked on, and the results were quite significant. 3 to 6 times improvement of flow rates.
This process will now not only cut down on the water supply, it will save companies the added stress on manpower and equipment needed on site, leaving a much smaller footprint behind.
From an infrastructure perspective, we only require a coil tubing unit and a means to chase our product down the coil, and right now we're using nitrogen, although we do have some art on the table to reduce the size of our nitrogen footprint. We really only need 2 or 3 people on a location to frack a well as compared to hundreds.
And with the nature of the product, it can be delivered to more remote locations by helicopter. It will also allow Canadian operators to work over 300 days of the year, including through spring breakup.
It's so portable, it's so unique, it's so flexible that our operating window will be 80% of the year throughout Canada versus most operators in the oil and gas sector. You know, they're hung up by spring breakup for 3 to 4 months every year. We won't be affected by that.
In turn, productivity will increase tenfold. And with this product, crews will be able to now frack many wells in one day.
And you just pumped it straight into the coiler, straight down the hole, you'd be done in 12 minutes.
With the growing pressure to be more environmentally friendly and effective, N.E.X.T is ready to lead the way.
It's phenomenal. It's you still watch it and you still ask questions, and there's so many questions to ask that you're not sure where to start. There's a phenomenal advancement in technology here.
For more information on N.E.X.T legacy, visit the website at www.next-tech.ca or email them at info@next-tech.ca.